When the chaos hits and rounds are flying, seconds decide who lives. Tactical Combat Casualty Care, or TCCC, turns panic into process. This is how operators assess, stabilize, and fight to keep their team alive. The AVPU and March sequence. The first thing you do isn't grab a tourniquet, it's find out if they're even conscious. AVPU is your rapid check. Alert, verbal, pain, unresponsive. Alert, eyes open and tracking. Verbal, they react when spoken to. Pain, no words but movement to stimulus. Unresponsive, nothing. Move fast to clear the airway. Can you hear me? Once you know they're breathing, the March sequence begins. This is your checklist to turn chaos into control. Stop the bleed. Arterial spray? Tourniquet high and tight. Don't waste time searching. Pressure, pack, wrap. Blood loss kills faster than bullets. Next, airway. If they're not breathing, open it. Chin lift, jaw thrust, recovery position. Simple, fast, effective. Chest rise and fall, or not. Sucking chest wound? Seal it. Three-sided dressing or vented chest seal. Both lungs working mean the heart still has a reason to pump. Once breathing's under control, check circulation. Pulse? Cap refill? This tells you if the blood you saved is still moving. Last, protect from the environment. Even in the desert, shock steals heat. Cover them, monitor for brain injury, and mark the time on your tourniquet. Every second counts. AVPU and March are the heartbeat of TCCC, designed to keep the fight going and your brothers alive. Train it until it's instinct, because in chaos, muscle memory is mercy. This is Chaos Operator. Like, subscribe, and always be mission ready.